Air India AI-171 has just crashed after takeoff on 12 June 2025. What happened today might rewrite aviation history. Flight AI-171, a Boeing 787 carrying 242 souls, crashed near Ahmedabad at just 625-foot altitude. Rescue teams are on scene as investigations begin. Out of 242 people on board, 169 were Indians, 53 were British nationals, 1 Canadian and 7 were Portuguese nationals. 12 people were pilots and crew members. The last major accident involving Air India was in August 2020. Air India Express Flight 1344 overran runway in heavy rain, split into two. 21 out of 190 on board lost their lives. In the past 25 years we've seen devastating crashes. China Eastern Flight 5735, 132 fatalities in 2022, Ethiopian Airlines Flight 302, 157 in 2019, Pakistan International Airlines Flight 8303, 98, Yeti ATR-72, 72, MH17 shot down, 298, Ukraine UIA 752, 176, Germanwings 9525 suicide crash, 150. Let us all pray for the departed souls.